Hi guys, it's Friday and ilang days na lang din and makakapag-rest day na tayo. So, as what you have noticed guys, andito na pala ako sa work and hindi na ako nakapag-vlog during my preparation kasi nga obviously late naman din ako nagising. So, anyway guys, for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales, and aside from that guys, we will also check our passbook kung pumasok ba lahat ng sales, and we will also create a lot of stickers for solicitations kasi nga malapit na yung Christmas, and obviously sobrang daming activities and sobrang daming mga stores na nagbibigay ng solicitation, so kailangan ko mag-prepare ng maraming stickers. And aside from that guys, I will also review lahat ng concern ko regarding Ormoc operations kasi nga malapit na din kaming pumunta doon, so we're planning na next week pumunta kasama yung mga boss namin kasi nga magkakaroon ng year-end meeting. So obviously medyo busy tayo today, and yan, that would be my agenda for today guys, and dyan lang muna kayo and mag-work lang muna ako.
Ginagawa mo!
So, anyway guys, wala naman tayong ibang ganap today. So, after work, diretso lang din tayo sa bahay. So, obviously, this would be a work vlog. So, that's all for today's video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!